Thank you so very much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how easily we are distracted. How easy it is for us to give over our energy to something when it's not our intention to do so. Okay? So I always speak, I talk about the mind because I'm on the mind so that we become more mindful. We become more mindful with how we are giving our energy away, how we are supporting issues that are going on and agendas that are going on today. And it's by the way of our energy, our attention, our awareness of those things, and then our, how do you say this? Our unconscious decision to then talk about it, be about it, and allow it to consume our lives without us realizing that we have now made it our narrative, our story, when it was not our intention. So let's talk about this a little bit. When we are, when we are busy going about our business per se, or someone else's business, and something goes on where it calls your attention. Something goes on where it calls your attention away from your business. It's calling your mind time away from your business. Okay? So say for instance, you get a phone call, you get a text message, you see something pop up on the media, on the news, or anything like that. That's where your attention immediately, you are watching, you're observing, and whatever they're talking about then takes up your mind time. It then takes up your mind time. So if someone calls while you're in the middle of doing something, it then takes your attention, or perhaps you try to do both. You listen to the call, you continue your work, but now your attention, your energy is divided. Okay? If you're trying to do 3 things at one time, your energy is now divided amongst those in those 3 different areas. This is how easy it is.